Others might have forgotten, but never can I. May the tricolor of my country falls very high.
Be comfortable
On
here.
this special occasion of 71st Republic
Baba
Day,
has to move from there.
I, Suhani Jagirdar, on behalf of Countryside International School, welcome you all to the celebration of our Republic Day. इस दिन के लिए वीरों ने अपना खून बहाया है इस दिन के लिए वीरों ने अपना खून बहाया है झूम उठो देशवासियों गणतंत्र दिवस आया है This day marks as the birth of our constitution and celebrates country's diversity and rich culture. Let's honor our national flag and salute the ones who fought for our freedom. Let us rise at our places and pay respect to our national anthem. Moving further with our virtual celebration of Republic Day, I invite Principal Sir to have a word with all our guests that have connected virtually with us. Sir, over to you.
Hello everyone, greeting and very special welcome to all of you in today's beautiful morning, which is full of hope, faith and dream. The 72nd Republic Day is very special this year, as we have proved that we are the real, mature and largest and vibrant democracy in the world. We have all faced the crisis of this pandemic, but we are still standing tall. I'm sure each one of us, we are feeling proud to be the citizen of the country, which has got the history of 5,000 years. Today, we are here to make the values of justice, equality, liberty, and fraternity more concrete, which is the backbone of our nation, of our constitution. We must remember today the galaxy of freedom fighters who laid down their lives for our freedom and liberty. Let us also especially remember Dr. Baba Sahib Ambedkar, who chaired the Constitution Committee and gifted us our Constitution with hard work of months, day and night. He said, this book is not merely a draft of a law, but a vehicle of life. The very world, life reminds us, COVID warriors, whether they are doctors, policemen, teachers, everyone, whomever they have worked. And, you know, I believe today we must show our gratitude and respect to these warriors. You students and each citizen are also warriors because you fought very bravely. So let us keep our spirit high and go ahead for beautiful days. Again, wishing you on this auspicious day. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.
Indeed, in the lovely morning with lovely breeze, little birds chirping, and our flag hoisting high, fluttering high with pride and respect. Moving on further, India has always been an inspiration to the world. And on this occasion, our educators have specially created a song. The song is originally sung by Lata Mangeshkar, which made Jawaharlal Nehru cry after the Sino in war. The song was an attempt to pay tribute and to strengthen the people after the war. Let us enjoy the heart-touching lyrics by Kavi Pradeep in Air Mere Tan Ki Logo, specially prepared by our CAS Educators Admin team.
मेरे वतन के लोगों जरा आँख में भर लो पानी जो शहीद हुए इसलिए सुनो ये कहानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी, जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। थी खून से लथपथ काया, फिर भी बंदूक उठा के 10-10 को एक ने मारा, फिर गिर गए होश गंवा के। जब अंत समय आया तो जब अंत समय आया तो कह गए कि अब मरते हैं। खुश रहना देश के प्यारों, खुश रहना देश के प्यारों। अब हम तो सफर करते हैं, अब हम तो सफर करते हैं। क्या लोग थे वो दीवाने, क्या लोग थे वो अभिमानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी, जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। तुम भूल न जाओ उनको, इसलिए कही ये कहानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी, जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। जय हिंद, जय हिंद की सेना, जय हिंद, जय हिंद की सेना, जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद।
जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी, जरा याद करो कुर्बानी. Today we have Dr. Shaili Vyas as our chief guest with us. Dr. Shaili ma'am is MD Community Medicine, trained in adolescent health from London School of Hygiene and Tropical Medicine. She is an assistant professor at the Department of Community Medicine, Government Medical College, Surat. In 2015, she had received National Award for the Indian Association of Preventive and Social Medicine for research in adolescent sexuality, perception, preferences, and practices. Ma'am is a master trainer in Rashtriya Kishore Swasthya Karyakram, a newly launched program focusing on adolescent boys in India. She has been working as a state routine immunization monitor in Gujarat since last 3 years, and she is an author to 6 amazing books. Indeed, ma'am, we are honored to have you with us today. Dear ma'am, I invite you for a few words of your wisdom on this beautiful occasion.
Dear students, first of all, greetings on the 72nd Republic Day of India. This Republic Day in the year 2021, and in fact this whole year perhaps, is a time to sit down and reflect upon certain things. Just like Republic Day is when our Constitution came into action, which lays a firm foundation for the overall well-rounded growth of our nation, we must contemplate how we can put a solid foundation for our better lives. You all, being students of Countryside International School, a green school, already are a step ahead of the rest in living a life that is in alignment with the nature. But I would like to give you a small exercise to do at home. Just talk to your parents or grandparents or any other elders, how they lived their lives, and then compare it with our current lifestyle. The roots of our Indian culture are firmly laid in a sustainable living. But are we really doing that sustainable lifestyle? Are we really that successful in living a sustainable lifestyle in recent times? You might wonder why this thought. Because COVID and many such viruses are likely to keep on coming in days to come. A major reason of their appearance, undeniably, is climate change. And if each and every person on this planet lives a sustainable life, we are sure to defeat climate change. And you, dear students, are the owners and change makers for the new age of the planet Earth. Once again, a very happy Republic Day, and I wish you all a very, very best. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Indeed, the words were very beautiful and inspiring. Today, let us make a promise that we would not let the hard sacrifice of our brave freedom fighters go in vain. We would work hard to make our country the best in the world. The country is full of culture, different religion, from west to east, from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. People may be speaking different languages, but they breathe India. Our educators have specially prepared a dance performance on this special occasion for a very famous song, Mile Se Mera Tumhara. The song supports unity in diversity and national integration. Let us enjoy the specially prepared dance performance.
मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा तो सुर बने हमारा जय तरज कहीं तरज एक पट बनिए फाई तरज
तेरा सुन मिले मेरी सुदिना मिलके बने एक नवा सुरताल सुर का दरिया बह के सागर में मिले बदलाता रूप लगे बरसन होले होले ನನ್ನ ಧ್ವನಿಗೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಧ್ವನಿಯ ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಧ್ವನಿಯ ನಾ ಸ್ವರಮೋ ನೀ ಸ್ವರಮೋ സംഗമമായി മനസ്സുരംഗ അവതരിച്ചേ
എന്റെ സ്വരവും നിങ്ങളുടെ സ്വരവും ഒത്തുചേർന്നു നമ്മുടെ സ്വരമാണ്
सुर की नदियाँ हर दिशा से बहके सागर
Indeed, a beautiful performance by our educators. 26th of January is celebrated as the Constitution Day. It is today 71 years since the formation of our Constitution. Days and nights were spent behind this document to make it an error-free constitution. From taking inspiration to deciding its content. Come, let us see the journey and the formation of Constitution through a documentary specially prepared by our educators.
Consists of 395 articles, 22 parts and 8 schedules, which at present is 448 articles and 12 schedules. The success of Indian Constitution continues to intrigue, inspire and attract experts all around the world.
The Constitution of India was prepared not in just 1 or 2 days, but the process of formation was started many decades before India became independent. The Constitution of India is the lengthiest written constitution, having the best features of parliamentary democracy, republicanism, civil liberties, social and economic justice, equality and universal adult suffrage, which are the most important principles of any constitution. The formation of Constituent Assembly and eventually the Constitution were merely a culmination of series of constitutional initiatives made in the different Act of Parliament. As per the sources, the committee had studied day and night in order to frame the Constitution, taking inspiration from other nations of the world. The parliamentary system of government, the rule of law, law-making procedure, single citizenship were borrowed from the British Constitution and other parts from the United States, Canada, the Republic of Ireland, Australia, etc. The Constitution was framed by the Constituent Assembly, established by the members of provisional assemblies elected by the people of India.
The preamble to the Constitution declares India to be sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, republic and a welfare state committed to secure justice, liberty and equality for the people and for promoting fraternity, dignity of an individual, unity and integrity of the nation. The opening sentence of the preamble, "We the people of India," and ends with "Adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution." The Supreme Court of India is the highest court, which acts as a guardian to this Constitution. The Constitution vests many fundamental rights in citizens, like right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, right to constitutional remedies. One of the strengths of the Constitution is that it is a dynamic instrument that can evolve with time, either by its interpretation or amendment. On paper, the amendment to the Constitution is a difficult affair. It demands 2/3 of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha to pass it. However, the Constitution of India is one of the frequently amended constitution in the world, so as not to stand in the way of the growth and development of the nation and her people.
On 26th of January, flag hoisting ceremony and parade by armed forces and school children are held at different parts of the country. the grandest and the most important of which is held at Rajpath in New Delhi, which showcases country's multi-hued image of cultural heritage and military power. The parade is presided by the President of India, the first citizen. One of the main functions of the day is to pay tribute to the martyrs of the country who have sacrificed their lives and to confer bravery awards to military personnel, citizens and children who showed courage in the face of adversity. Traditionally, the Prime Minister lays a wreath at the Amar Jyoti Jawan at India Gate, followed by a 21-gun salute, unfurling of national flag and national anthem. The national flag rises high, bright in the sky.
This day brings a sense of pride in the hearts of the citizen. A country with diverse culture, rich heritage, and a heartfelt feeling for her nation. To our motherland, India. Jai Hind.
Indeed, it is difficult to have a constitution to take care of the whole nation. On this occasion, I would like to share a few words by Rabindranath Tagore. He says, "It is not my desire to be weaved in the ornaments of a beautiful girl. It is not my desire to be weaved into a lover's garment and tempt a beloved. It is not my desire to adorn the funeral of a monarch. It is not my desire to be presented as an offering to goddess and rejoice at my good luck. O gardener, my desire is that you will pluck me and throw me on that path on which our brave soldiers tread to sacrifice their lives for the motherland." Here we are to celebrate the formation of world's longest written constitution. With this, we end our virtual ceremony of Republic Day. I, on behalf of Countryside International, wish all viewers a very happy Republic Day. Jai Hind, take care.